Citrix Workspace, revolutionizing productivity in the digital era. In today's fast-paced digital era, where technology continues to evolve at a rapid pace, businesses are constantly seeking innovative solutions to enhance productivity and efficiency. Citrix Workspace is transforming the traditional work environment and empowering employees to work smarter, not harder. What is Citrix Workspace? Citrix Workspace is a digital workspace solution that allows users to access their applications, desktops, and data securely from any device, anywhere in the world. The benefits of Citrix Workspace: enhanced collaboration. With Citrix Workspace, teams can easily collaborate on projects in real time, regardless of their physical location. By enabling secure communication and file sharing, Citrix Workspace fosters a culture of teamwork and innovation. Increased productivity. Citrix Workspace streamlines workflows and eliminates manual tasks, allowing employees to focus on high-value work. Work from anywhere. Thanks to its virtual desktop capabilities, Citrix Workspace enables employees to work from anywhere, whether it's in the office, at home, or on the go. This flexibility not only improves work-life balance but also enhances employee satisfaction. Seamless integration. Citrix Workspace seamlessly integrates with existing business systems and applications, making it easy to adopt and implement within your organization. How Citrix Workspace is transforming the modern workplace? In today's digital age, where remote work and flexible work arrangements are becoming increasingly common, Citrix Workspace provides the tools and technology needed to thrive in this new era of work. By empowering employees to access their work resources from anywhere, on any device, Citrix Workspace enables organizations to adapt to changing work trends and optimizes workflows for maximum efficiency. Conclusion: Citrix Workspace is revolutionizing productivity in the digital era by providing advanced technology solutions that empower employees, streamline workflows, and enhance communication.